James Smith is going to show us Manyfold 3D print models of ActivityPub.
Okay. Hello, everybody. This is Manyfold. I'm going to explain a little bit about it. It's a self-hosted web application that is that is designed to help you organize and share 3D print files. You can browse them, you can categorize them, you can share them, you can do all sorts of things. For those of you who've done 3D printing, it's a bit like having your own Thingiverse. As you can see, this is the real thing. This is my dev instance. We can look at models directly, so that's a sort of live rendering of that one, or we can look at, you can have image previews, things like that. We support lots and lots of different formats. You can have a look at the models, make sure you can find the one that you're looking for. Anybody, again, if you've done a lot of 3D printing, you probably have a big folder full of stuff and you've got no idea what's in it. So this is designed for exactly that. Here we have a 3D print model, a classic Benchy, but we also support lots and lots of other more advanced formats. For instance, this is one of the GLTF demos. So we can have materials and things like that rendered as well. It's finding use in things like games development teams and stuff as well. So not just 3D printing, but general sort of 3D asset management is a thing. So yeah, like I say, you can organize those files. You can put them in your own collections. You can set creators, lots and lots of metadata, all that kind of thing, and it's all nice and interactive. Now, that's all well and good. You can run that as a single person instance on your own private network. That's fine, or you can set it up in multi-user, exposed to the public internet. And of course, if you have these things and you have the public internet, then we can do some interesting stuff. We can connect it up with ActivityPub. So this is my actual public instance, and this is my creator profile on that. You can see I've got a few models that I've published, a nice little hex sticker holder there, a few other things. But let's say that actually I'm browsing this and I want to make sure I know when this model gets updated. So if I copy the Fediverse address and then I go back to my other my local dev instance or whatever other server I'm on, we do have remote follow. I'm logged in on both of them, so it doesn't automatically do the remote follow thing. So just for convenience, I'm just going to search. You can see there it is, found from the other system. We're going to follow it. And then as soon as we do, we go over to our model section here on my dev server. We have that exact same model from my original instance. And if I can click back to it and so on. If that changes, it'll get automatically updated. These are all models, creators, and collections are all ActivityPub actors. And when they change, they update, they synchronize to other servers automatically. So that's sort of 3D between Manyfold instances, but obviously not everybody is on a Manyfold instance. You might want to know other stuff. So here is something on my personal server, which I'm going to make public. And because I am following that creator, the creator of this, that account, I'm following that from my Mastodon account, we should see any second, there we go. We have a note popping up on Mastodon that's just been published publicly. And we can click through to that. If Mastodon showed rich embed previews, you would have a rendering here. You would see that rendering live. If I fake it and say it's a video, it does show up, but that seems rude. So that's, yeah, we're federating 3D models around. It's great. The way that we do it is all documented on the website. We've got a few extensions and things like that we're using to make all that work. And yeah, I'm happy to talk more to people about it or share anything. It's all open. funded by NLNet Open Collective. You can follow the project at Manyfold at 3dp.chat. Yeah, I think that's it.